In a beautiful forest, there lived a little bunny named Bobby. Bobby was the most lively and adorable bunny in the forest, always full of curiosity and energy. His friends loved him, even though he sometimes played mischievous pranks. One night, as Bobby lay in bed, he thought about how to bring the animals in the forest closer together. Suddenly, he had a great idea: to throw a forest party. He believed it would be an unforgettable event for everyone. Bobby started busily preparing for the party, knowing he couldn't throw it just for himself. So he stepped out of his house and began inviting the animals in the forest, one by one. He smiled as he said to each animal, "Come to my party. We'll have a super fun night." On the day before the party, Bobby and his friends began preparing. They gathered delicious fruits, set up a stage, and prepared some fun games and performances, ensuring that every animal attending the party would have a great time. As the sun set and stars appeared in the sky, the party officially began. The forest was filled with laughter and music as animals, dressed in fancy costumes, danced and enjoyed the party's happy atmosphere. At the peak of the party, Bobby arranged a spectacular magic show. All the animals were amazed by his magic tricks and cheered loudly. The party atmosphere reached its peak, and everyone forgot they were animals, feeling like they were in a fairy tale world. As the night grew late and stars faded away, the animals dispersed, returning to their homes to rest. Bobby watched them leave, feeling satisfied and grateful. He knew the party would be one of the most beautiful memories in the forest. Back at home, Bobby lay in bed, thinking about the party. He felt very happy, seeing the smiles and happiness of all the animals. He decided that he would throw such a party every year, ensuring that every animal in the forest could feel love and warmth.